Good evening, friends. My name is Deep Arora. I'm a soft skill trainer and an eminent motivational speaker with 15 plus years of experience. Today, I'll be teaching you about how to introduce yourself in an interview. Now, you master your interview skills with us. First, I'll be teaching you the pattern of self introduction because most of the students, do lots of mistakes while giving the self introduction. But today, I'll be teaching you the sequence of self introduction. पहला क्या पॉइंट होता है, नेम एंड प्लेस। आपका नाम क्या है और आपके प्लेस क्या है, कहाँ बिलोंग करते हो। दूसरा, प्रेजेंटली आई एम, आप क्या हो, प्रेजेंटली आप क्या कर रहे हो। अबाउट माई स्किल्स, आपके स्किल्स के बारे में बताइए। वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, आपका जो करंट वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है, करंट से प्रीवियस तक। हमेशा ध्यान रखिए, हमेशा एक्सपीरियंस को करंट से प्रीवियस तक बताना चाहिए। पहले करंट फिर प्रीवियस। माई अचीवमेंट्स, आपके अचीवमेंट्स क्या क्या हैं। अकेडमिक्स, अकेडमिक्स में भी आपका करंट से प्रीवियस तक होना चाहिए। जो करंट आपने किया है, जो लास्ट आपने किया है उसको फर्स्ट में लेके आओगे, और जो आपने फर्स्ट किया था उसको लास्ट में लेके आओगे। नेक्स्ट है आपका एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़। आपकी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ में क्या क्या करते हो आप। अबाउट माई फैमिली, अपनी फैमिली के बारे में बताइए। हॉबीज़ है इंटरेस्ट, आपकी हॉबीज़ क्या है, आपके इंटरेस्ट क्या हैं। एम ऑफ लाइफ, आपकी एम क्या है लाइफ में, क्या बनना चाहते हो आप। इन सब को ख़त्म करने के बाद आप कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल सकते हो, इट्स ऑल अबाउट मी, थैंक यू। जैसे मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ इन सबको डिस्क्रिप्शन के पॉइंट से। सबसे पहले डिस्क्रिप्शन आपको आता है नेम एंड प्लेस। जैसे आपको बताया था मैंने आपको, बेसिक नेम एंड प्लेस। हेलो सर, माय नेम इज़ दीप अरोड़ा, आई बिलोंग टू कानपुर, उत्तर प्रदेश। नाउ प्रेजेंट स्टेटस, व्हाट इज़ माय प्रेजेंट स्टेटस। Presently, I am taking online classes of soft skills and communication skills at Inspiron Technologies. I have rich experience of 15 years. About my skills, मेरी skills क्या हैं। I have a leading role in my work assignments. I work in a goal-oriented manner and I am dedicated for the organization. About my experience, I have been into training and content development and many prestigious organizations like Makeover, New Horizons, Oracle Info Solutions, and many more. About my achievements. In my achievements, I have been honored many times for imparting the best training in the organizations. I have also authored several books for communication and personality development. Next is about my academics. I told you academics, you have to tell you about from current to previous. About my academics, I am a graduate from Kanpur University. I did schooling with first division and achieved many awards in the competitions. Next is about my extracurricular activities. I have participated in many activities like group discussions, debates, presentations, and many webinars during pandemic. Now, about my family. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a businessman, my mother is a social worker, and my younger brother is a journalist. Next is about my hobbies and interests. Listening to songs and writing articles are my hobbies, and I have interest in knowing the recent updates. What is my aim of life? My aim of life is to be an eminent motivator and also to assist more and more youngsters in skill development and employability skills. Now, this is all about my self-introduction. Always give introduction about 45 seconds or 1 minute. It's all about me. Thank you. The first question of the most of the interviews, self-introduction, is the first question of each interview, and first impression is the last impression. Expressions while giving introduction. One must prepare it very well and should convey it happily as if it is a great honor to introduce. Scripts must be avoided. Have natural expressions and welcome the cross questions dynamically. Don't get disturbed when you are stopped in between in phase. Have smile and reply gently. Rehearse as many times as you can and deliver it passionately. Thank you all about the session. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Have a great day.